Alrighty, hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we're reviewing the Govee RGB car light strip. This is the model H61140A1. They're great budget and affordable car lighting for your interior. They have a super comfy remote, and one of the things that I liked super about this lighting system is it only costed roughly $22. It's a great affordable price. Like I said, they weren't too bad to install. There's nothing too difficult with the installation process on the lights. As you see in the picture, each seat has its own light that goes under. You can kind of cable management. It comes with some screws and zip ties. On the back of the lights, they do have a 3M tape, so you don't even need the screws. But what I did in the front two seats, with the help of my uncle and cousin, we installed the front two, and we have the back two in the back, running through the seats down the trim to help that cable management. It's pretty easy installation. I really like this product. On the front, you can see there is a red button. That is your power button. But also with our little remote, we have three options. Our power button on the remote. Then we also have our color option. A wide variety of colors on this light strip. Red, green, blue, red. Again, you know, you have a large variety of colors you can select. And then one of the best things about this app, about this product, is it has an app that already has all these modes, and you can control it via your phone. Just go to the Play Store or whatever you have to download apps, and you can download the Govee app, and it has a lot of modes that you can change your colors. You can also activate the function with your music, so if you're playing music, it will react with the light. Very cool product. Again, only $22. You can't beat that price. It wasn't too bad to install. It did take a little bit just because we were trying to uncable everything and make it look nice. But it's a very unique product, and if you are interested in buying this product, a link will be down below to the Amazon link for this and some other sites where you can buy this light. If you have any questions about this product, go ahead and shoot a comment down below. I know some people are wondering, like mine, I installed in a Ford Focus SE. It is just a regular car, nothing fancy. But in the back seats, there is carpet. Now, unlike the regular 2M tape, it will not stick to carpet, unfortunately. Now, the product does come with zip ties and screws, which can be utilized, but you might pick up a pair of clothes. Alright, this is nighttime feed. This is what they look like at the nighttime and the outside of the car. Haven't actually put the ones in the back up yet, but already once you walk up to the car, you can tell it's a vibe. This is the passenger side, what you would see if you were down here.